Red's coming around the back of the building now, Joe. To your left, the red. Yeah, stop playing for this one. Only two left, guys, only two left. Still behind that building, Tripper. Down this side of the building. There's two guys on the field from the other side.
There's a guy in the fins. Ah, hit! Nice one, mate. He's on the right of the trench now, Dave. Where was that from? Ah, hit! Nice one. He's making a run across. On your left.
No, what's the left back as well?
They dropped in front of me. Don't get up, mind. That guy over there's got a fair bit of range.
And you'll cover me reloading.
Alright.
Okay, he's reaching us,
Oh shit. I can see him.
Right, you keep front pin. You keep front, I'll keep him pinned down.
They're just about dropping in front of us now. Hit, I got. Nice one. Shoot in the back. Someone get around and get him in the back. Hit! Nice one. Bastards. Come on, respawn, hurry up. I respawned! Hit. Hit. Nice one, mate. He's on the left. He's on your side. He's by there.
Is that friendly fire or?
No.
Oh, I get that.
Ricochets don't count, mind. Ricochets don't count. No.
No kill. Myself.
Yeah, there's one straight ahead. I can't get him. He's... Fucking hell. Nice one. Keep your head down. Oh. Shoot him in the air. I can't see down that far room. In that far room, far room. I don't know if, is the guy still in there? Hit! I blew you, muck! I'm a blue!
Oh, fucking hell, I can't see now, coming in fast, guys.
Shit, go! Ah! Bastard! Right, keep an eye that way, alright? Keep an eye that way, cover him, okay? I can hear him, I can't see him. Hit! Bastard!
Where the rounds landed?
You've got guys behind the bush by there.
Yeah. Where
and you've got
where the rounds landed?
Before them. They've got range to hit us, but we haven't got range to hit them.
Let me get down to that bank.
Bastards! That's a bit better. And use the gun then. Oh yeah, they're in that window there. Ah, hit. Nice one.
Oh, I know.
It needs to be suppressed.
I'm basically getting... Fucking hell! Hold your fire a sec. Oh, shit! Watch your fire stack. Don't fucking indo. What? No, my M4's out of ammo. What's that shotgun? Right. Are they peppering you or? Yeah. So it's no good me running?
Not yet.
Right, just watch fire, don't hit me.
There's no one near me.
He's raked, fucking hell. Marshals! Hit! You're alright! Ah, hit! Hit! Have you got a range? They're far down the end. They know you're there. Look over there, you're on there.
A guy in that window. There's a guy there just on the right.
Ah, hit!
That guy.
No, he moved and there's another one behind him.
One on the back.
Whoa! right on the corner of that window.
Get the very back in that window.
Literally right on the corner of that as well.
Your bullets are
Blue,
turning.
blue.
You need to adjust the hop.
Round the corner.
You can't get right frame.
Oh yeah. You have to go through the door.
Your shots are going up. You're going to go right back now. They're shooting up. That's 2, 2, 2.
This really needs to be left-handed. You hit? Oh, hit. Nice one. This gun don't work. Come on. Oh, Marshall. Huh? Fucking gun, this piece. Right, go in. Go in. Oh yeah, shit. Yeah, there's one literally by there. I jumped. I didn't shoot you, did I?
You ran over. How are you trying to shoot me? Bang, bang. I was like, yeah.
This gun ain't half the shots don't work. Right, I go to the other side of the door. Got one. You have to go in and this gun don't work. Go on.
Yeah.
Right, going in. Oh, it's Marshall. Marshall. Right, going in. It's clear. Yeah, it's clear, go. This gun barely works. See, you'll have to go. Where's the charge?
Dead player, then go, Marshall coming through.
Left's clear.
I'll be honest with you. I'm looking red light.
It's clear that side as well. It's just that one guy in the door. Oh, there's a guy in the window and there's a guy on the left hand side of the door. Damn, yeah. I think I did. He's got laser sight on your mind. Get run. Right. Press it. There is.
Oh. Batman, we got contact.
Ah, hit. Nice one. Alright, move, move, move. We got guys, we got guys. Watch out, watch out. We got guys on top. And we got guys coming that way. Shoot them if you can. Ah, bastard! Nice one. They're all making a run across there. Just watch our left. Check the buildings, check the buildings.
They're damn good.
Watch the other end of the building. Watch it. We got contact, far right corner.
These guys coming from the other side. There's other people taking it from other entrances.
December, you clear?
What's going on with this building then? We moving in or what?
I say we fucking just bug out there straight to that one. Behind us. We're going to be stuck in between. Just a shit pit. You can go. Guys, you stand that road.
He's blue. They're in that corner, are they?
Yeah.
Alright, I get them from this side.
We're going to get fucking...
Is it cleared in by there?
Yeah.
We need to clear the big bit then.
They've left the building, aren't they?
Have they?
Yeah. If we get in there quick,
Yeah.
we'll have been
It's clear as hard as I can see. Clear. We're gonna We've got a dead red coming from the right.
Yeah, we got a couple of them.
I did fight! Yeah, that's right. We got blue. Yeah. So what are we doing? We need to move down to... Yeah.
Wrong place to be, wrong.
Ah, hit! Ah, you! Yeah.
That flag coming through.
Yeah. I had you, mate, come on. That's alright. I got him, he's out. Yeah. He's out. Sorry, mate. There's no hand in here, you don't know, do you? Hit! Nice one, mate.
There's a lot of fucking mad.
Yeah. They can get in this. There's one coming round. I got him.
No, you don't.
Where are they shooting you from?
Back to the HQ.
I have no idea what we're doing.
Is there a guy?
Joe, move up. Ready? Building clear, guys. Building clear.
Just keep your voice under there. It's over the back of you somewhere. I can hear him, but I can't see him. Dave? Contact! Oh, we got him. It's clear, I got him. No, there's a one, I think I just seen one come over. Where?
They just said what's in front of us. They know where we are.
They don't know we are, right. We backing out? Just stay there. Hit! Bastard. Yeah, I got one. Shall I use it?
I've used mine actually.
Got. Nice one, got him. Yeah, right, they're literally at that mound right by there.
Yeah.
We're gonna be fucked if we don't move. Guys, you wanna get away from the building? On the corner, man! Oh, right. I'm pulling back. Fuck this shit. Right, watch your back, guys. Dave, watch your back. Watch your back. Straight down there, get in.
Oh, fuck me. Dave, you want to leave your MP5 here?
Who's got the range? Who's got the range? We're from? Who had the angle on him? Oh god, I was gunning it! Ah!
Oh yes, no, it's only me and
Oh yeah, I can do that too, which doesn't do anything.
Nobody has to. I know.
mine actually.
Don't, please.